Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Hello and welcome to today's video. Have you ever heard of the law of karma? It's a universal principle that states that every action we take has a consequence, whether positive or negative. But what if I told you that you can harness the power of the law of karma to create a life full of abundance and happiness? That's what we'll be talking about today. The law of karma is based on the idea of cause and effect. Every thought, word, and deed creates a ripple effect in the universe. The consequences of these actions can either positively or negatively impact our lives. However, it's important to remember that the law of karma doesn't just punish us for our misdeeds. It also rewards us for our good deeds. By focusing on positive actions and thoughts, we can attract more positive experiences into our lives. One way to harness the power of the law of karma is to adopt a growth mindset. This means focusing on personal growth and learning from our mistakes, rather than dwelling on the negative. By embracing growth and change, we can continuously improve and attract positive experiences into our lives. Another way to harness the power of the law of karma is to practice gratitude. By being thankful for what we have and focusing on the good in our lives, we can attract even more positivity and abundance. In conclusion, the law of karma is a powerful universal principle that can be used to create a life full of abundance and happiness. By focusing on growth, change, and gratitude, we can harness the power of this law to attract positive experiences and create a life we love. If you are looking for more in-depth ways to transform your life, grab a copy of 12 Laws to Making Life Your Bitch on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on the universal laws and how to apply them to your life.